Hi Matt, it's Saturday night. We're making a documentary on how to kill bees. We've set our tent up next to their hiding their hive in the wall. And you can hear them swarming above. Maybe you can even see them. They're pretty mad. They're looking for us. I think they're killer African bees. I think they live off the flesh of humans. We're stuck in this war zone. They're looking for alternate escape routes like this crack right here. We're fighting against fumes. For fresh air, we've ruined our tent. It's dripping. It's dripping with insecticides. One can lay empty. We have a fly swatter here in case things get desperate. Nice W. There they are, coming out of this crack again. We're making this video in case it's the last thing that anybody sees from us. Sure cheaper than hiring an exterminator.
Yep.
Matt, how do you feel about this?
Scary.
We're down to our last can, and it's generic. It's not even Raid. It's store brand.
Ultra kill.
We're signing off.